The Aesthetic Record Patient Wallet is your all-in-one hub for managing prepayments, recurring revenue, manufacturer loyalty reward programs, and third-party integrations. With this powerful feature, patients can pre-purchase treatments or packages, and those credits are auto-applied directly to their patient wallet. No spreadsheets, no sticky notes, and no guesswork. Big events like open houses often bring in impressive revenue, but the real challenge, tracking those purchases over time. If you're using a third-party processor, it's up to your staff to manually manage credits, leaving room for errors or lost payments on patients' return. If you sell things online through your website, it's a similar issue. Someone has to manually transfer those sales into the AR wallet. That's where the AR Patient Wallet comes in. With AR Pay, all transactions processed online or in the clinic are directly tied to the patient's profile. When a promotion or package is purchased, credits go right into the wallet for seamless tracking. When the patient returns, just apply those credits to the cart so you can deduct services and zero out the charges automatically. When it comes to manufacturer loyalty, the AR Patient Wallet is the most robust in the industry. Our direct integration with Galderma's ASPIRE program means you can redeem and record all ASPIRE activity without ever leaving Aesthetic Record. Need to process Evolus redemptions? Use Quick Connect to jump directly to Evolus to redeem and back to AR to apply and track every certificate right on the invoice. You can also add any redeemed certificates from Alle or Xperience to use those at checkout. If your patients take advantage of our Buy Now, Pay Later options, you can also get that information in the patient wallet. Pre-qualification amounts and available balances are posted for Sunbit, Cherry, and PatientFi. If you're using RepeatMD integration, you can manage every aspect of RepeatMD purchases and redemptions from inside the patient wallet, and it connects back to your RepeatMD dashboard. If you choose to offer memberships, once a payment is made, any associated fees or free goods are deposited in the wallet for use at the very next appointment. And lastly, if you want to reduce no-shows and protect revenue, one easy way is service deposits. If a patient books a service with a deposit, their payment goes right into the wallet to be used at the next appointment. The patient wallet not only saves you a headache of manually tracking prepaid services, it offers you an opportunity to upsell with financing balances, reduces errors so you can keep more of what you make, and instantly deposits every purchase or recurring charge. Your staff, your patients, and your third-party partners are all operating on the same real-time information. Our patient wallet helps your practice move at the speed of aesthetics.